Hello, other course creator and all the coaches. How are you? So I just want to quickly jump on today to talk about the whiteboard inside Canva. So for those of you who don't know, actually now you can do like a whiteboard inside Canva. So I'm going to show you what I am talking about. So when you type whiteboard inside Canva, the template. So you can see there's a lot of different sort of whiteboard. So I will have a look of the brainstorm whiteboard because that's perfect for coaches and course creators. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different type of whiteboard, like definitely for coaches, my map. You will want to look at my map, right? And also a lot of brainstorming sessions like you can actually use here. And what I would do, I would just click into one. So when you click into the brainstorm, the mind map, so you can see when you enlarge it, this is like the actual whiteboard, right? So again, when you highlight everything, like you can actually move. Okay, so now if you don't actually have a whiteboard or you love to work like on your computer, on your desktop, this is the perfect one. And also, you can do, for example, like they have like a launch idea. So when you click it, it's actually open like next to it instead of another page like what Canva used to be. So with the whiteboard, it will actually just open another one here. So if you can see here, launch idea. Again, it's different. Like when you have different ideas, you can just drop it in here for your launch. And then for others, you can actually do like you can see here, I just moved myself over here. Like Team Retro, Stop, Start, Continue. This is just a name. You can change it to idea stage, processing, or completion. So it's up to you. It's like a actual like a whiteboard. Again, fishbone diagram, idea board, and I like the idea board actually. So with idea board, you can just like bring down everything here because it's just idea board, right? You can bring down everything here. And then this is perfect for marketing to actually do a SWOT analysis, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So that's really good. Customer journey. So I'll just delete this so that we've got room. So for this customer journey, let's see. Okay, as you can see here, customer journey. Again, it's really good for coaches and team meetings. So yeah, I just want you to have a look because now you can actually do more in Canva. Yeah, I like this whiteboard feature. Although I've got a really like a physical whiteboard, but I still like this for example, to present to my clients. I like to use those my map when I talk to my clients, and also there's different like matrix. Again, all of the things that you can actually move and make changes. So don't be afraid to try. This is like the actual post-it, right? You can type and then you can move. This is really good. And you can just, if you're not happy with it, just delete it. It's really good. So, yeah, I like this digital sort of whiteboard. So, see whether you want to play around with it. If you have any question, let me know. I hope you enjoy this new feature. Okay, bye.